Hey there, young scientists and explorers. Are you ready for a splashy adventure? Today we're going to learn about water and why some things float while others don't.
I bet I can walk on water just like Jesus did.
No way, Peter!
Watch this. Oops.
Oh no, looks like Peter needs a little help understanding how water works.
Maybe we should ask our teacher for help.
Yeah, she always knows cool stuff.
Hello, children. I heard you were curious about walking on water.
Yeah, it's harder than it looks.
Well, let's start with something a bit easier. Who wants to learn a cool water trick?
We do.
Great, we'll need a bowl of water and a paper clip.
A paper clip? But that's made of metal!
Yeah, won't it sink?
Let's find out! Watch closely as I gently place it on the water.
No way, it's floating.
Wow.
This is called surface tension. The water molecules on top stick together like a stretchy skin.
Oh, I get it. It's like having faith. It holds you up.
Exactly, Peter. Faith is like surface tension for your spirit.
But what happens if you poke it?
Let's see, gently now.
Just like when I doubted and sank in the lake.
That's right. When we keep our faith strong, it supports us.
And just like that, Peter learned a valuable lesson about faith and science.
Next time I'm scared, I'll remember to keep my faith strong. Can we try the experiment again?
Of course, and remember, kids.
Now it's your turn to try this cool experiment at home.
Just don't try walking on water like I did.